Take the guesswork out of funding. Research-backed online lender comparison. In the last few years, a number of online lenders have emerged. They are often excellent choices for convenience, decision and funding speed, industries which can't get funding elsewhere, and business owners with less than stellar personal credit. But which are best for your personal circumstances? How about the best online lenders for a short time in business? Check out Lending Express. $5,000 to $500,000 is available. Lending Express is an online connection network of lenders offering unsecured business term loans. Terms range from 3 to 36 months. Rates and fees vary by lender, including fixed fees instead of interest. Their requirements are 3 or more months in business and $10,000 or more in monthly revenue, or 6 or more months in business and $2,000 or more in monthly revenue. Find them online at www.lending-express.com. Now we'll move on to the best online lenders for low annual revenue, starting with StreetShares. StreetShares is a lender offering term loans, lines of credit, specialized veteran business bonds, and small business loans and investing options. Most recently, they have started to offer contract financing, which is a non-loan service similar to invoice factoring. Pre-approval takes only a few minutes and doesn't hurt personal credit. $2,000 to $100,000 is available. These are term loans. Their requirements are 12 or more months in business with $25,000 or more in annual revenue. Sometimes StreetShares will make exceptions for high-earning businesses at least 6 months old. You also need a 620 or better personal credit score. U.S. citizens only, and you must either be or have a guarantor with reasonable credit. Find them online at https://streetshares.com. What about Loan Builder? They are a PayPal service as of November 2017. Loan Builder specializes in short-term lending to mid-sized businesses. These are term loans. You may be able to get loans as soon as the next business day. These are customizable loans with no orientation fee. $5,000 to $500,000 is available. Their requirements are 550 or better personal credit score, $42,000 or more in annual revenue, and 9 or more months in business. Find them online at www.loanbuilder.com. Let's recap. Online lenders offer a myriad of benefits. Choose what works best for you. Speed, low FICO scores, short time in business, or low annual revenues welcome, high amounts on offer, early prepayment discounts, multiple financing options, convenient ways to pay, peer-to-peer lending, or working capital financing. Contact us today to learn more about taking the guesswork out of funding with our research-backed online lender comparison.